Hi everyone, my name is Michaela Lafferty and I'm super excited to start this class with you all. After looking over the syllabus and the modules and the different assignments that we're going to be doing together, I'm super excited to hop right into this class. So I don't have any experience with diagnosing a mental health disorder. However, I did do my internship at Bucks County Youth Center. It's a juvenile detention center here in Pennsylvania, where we did work alongside some juveniles who were diagnosed with a mental health disorder prior. Um, so I don't have too much experience in actual diagnosis, but I did work alongside some juveniles, who were experiencing some mental health disorders. What I think about mental health is that I think we live in a society and a day and age where mental health is recognized. It's not this taboo thing anymore, where in the past it was a conversation that nobody wanted to have or talk about. So I think it's important that we keep that flow going. We keep bringing recognition to mental health. We keep learning, growing, understanding that not every person is the same. So mental health disorders, could affect people differently. They can affect daily life differently. So I think it's important that we keep the focus on learning and growing and keeping an open mind to mental health so we can help people who are diagnosed with mental health disorder live everyday life normal and easy, and make treatments accessible to everyone. Also teaching families who live with people experiencing mental health disorder, teaching them things, that they can do at home or with their family or loved one to make things a little bit easier for the whole entire situation. I definitely am excited to start this class. I think that it is going to teach me a lot more. And obviously, there's always room to grow, and there's a lot that I need to learn before getting into the field. So I am excited to learn and hop right in and have other students alongside me so we can learn together. So I look forward to starting the class with you all. Bye.